Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning yourself and the rebound net or wall. Do it now so practice starts immediately. Take the ball and grip it like a cricket ball, fingers along the seam for control. This matters because seam orientation affects rebound. Step side on, 1 to 2 paces away, and focus your eyes on the expected contact point. Once done, test with gentle feeds to feel rebound timing and adjust distance for consistent bounce and trajectory. Now you progress into repeating feeds and fielding. Feed the ball with varied speeds, slow, medium, fast, in sets of 10 so you learn timing differences. This builds reflexes and judgment. Make angular feeds to simulate edges and cuts off the bat. Change your 1/2-step footwork to cover the direction. Field each rebound with soft hands and immediate recovery because quick reset prepares you for the next ball. Make sure to alternate catching heights to train range and coordination. Finish with match simulation. Bowl or feed 6 balls with realistic rhythm and calls so you practice under pressure. Record one set on your phone to review and spot recurring errors. This helps you fine-tune grip, angle, or footwork. If the rebound is inconsistent, check the net angle and move 1 pace closer or farther. Small changes fix big timing issues. Finally, cool down with gentle catches and reflect on one improvement to focus on next session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.